What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there is staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is, man. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Definitely always appreciate you coming through, showing me love and support. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell, man, so you can stay up to date with the latest videos. Be a part of this freestyle cooking community. We get it in here. Let's do it. All right. So today, y'all, as you can see up on the board, got me some seafood. We're actually going to do a seafood bucatini. That's right, y'all. We're going to do basically a seafood pasta dish. Okay. So few things I'm gonna need for the dish. I got me some bucatini. You know what I mean? This pasta's real good, man. Holds the sauce nice. It's like got the little hollow hole in the middle. Definitely should try this if you've never had it. Got me some shrimp. Got me some scallops. Got me some lump crab meat. Got some mussels. Got some leeks. Got some garlic. Yo, we about to get it in, man. You feel me? All right. So you know you want to follow with me through this recipe, man. Try this at home, man. We about to get it in. Takes no time to make. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. So the first thing you want to do is cook your bucatini. Okay, you want to go ahead. I got me a pot of boiling water on the side going on. Some salted water. Follow the package directions, man. You might want to cook it for about 8 minutes. Get it like al dente. Once it's done, drain it. A little bit of oil, set it to the side. All right. So get your water boiling. Get your bucatini in. All right now. So the next thing you want to do while we got our pasta in the water, we're gonna go ahead and break out your skillet. We're about to go ahead and prepare our sauce for this recipe. Okay. So it's a few things you gotta have. You know, I got some. I done chopped up some garlic. I done chopped up some shallots. I got me some red pepper flakes. I also got me some diced tomatoes, white wine. I got some leeks, and that's just gonna add a whole nother level to it, man. Leeks are banging. You should definitely use them in most of your recipes. Trust me. Also got some chopped up red bell peppers. Alright, now I want to get my olive oil. I got it on the medium-high heat. And I'm going to add about a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And mind y'all, you know, keep track of your pasta. You don't want to overcook your pasta. About 8 minutes. You know, you want to put that to the side, add a little bit of oil to keep it from sticking, and have it sitting. But this recipe also, man, you could use whatever seafood you like, shellfish, clams, shrimps, mussels, the whole nine, man. You can make it your own. All right. So you get your pan medium heat. Okay. Now once my oil is heated up, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Now you can, you know, add more or less depending on how spicy you want it. I kind of like it spicy, so I'm gonna add about a tablespoon, but less spicy, put about a teaspoon. Right. All right. Then I want to go ahead and stir that in. Next, I want to add my shallots and my leeks. Alright, get that incorporated in. Oh man, I just love the aroma already popping off. Alright, now after about 30 seconds or so, I'm going to add my garlic. And you don't want to burn your garlic, y'all. Please don't burn your garlic. You just want to incorporate it in, stir fry it till you start to release the aroma of the garlic. You'll smell it. Okay, once you start to release it, you're good to go. Okay. All Alright, now after I start to smell my garlic, I know it's flowing. I'm gonna go ahead and add my bell peppers. And you know, and it's a lot of recipes out there, people who do like the seafood bucatini or like seafood spaghetti and use different kinds of veggies. This is really like a dish you can really like make your own. Okay. So now I'm gonna get my peppers in there, incorporate them in, stir this up for about a minute. All right, y'all. After a minute, I got it flowing. I can smell the leeks and the shallots and the garlic. I mean, the aromatics is just popping. Right, garlic nice and perfect, not burnt. Now you want to get some dry white wine. I got me some white wine right here. You know what I mean? Go ahead and pour it about. I'm gonna go about a half a cup. Right, and I want to kind of like just get this to a simmer and let it reduce almost all the way down. Right, we moving quick, y'all. Told y'all this is real easy, man. Once you got your seafood, and you know a lot of markets got the seafood medleys in a pack where you got the shrimp, the squid, the everything in there. Man, easy, man. Or like I said, you can do your own thing, man. Get the crab legs, crack them open, get the meat out, do your thing, man. Feel me? That's how we do here, freestyle cooking. Let's go. So we're gonna just let this reduce down. All right, 20 minutes has went by. Simmering real good. Tomatoes have broke down a little bit. Now you want to go ahead and add your seafood. Let me add my mussels. Add my shrimp. Add my scallops. And also my crab meat. Oh yeah, there we go. Throw the crab meat in there. Alright, now you just want to incorporate this in. And we're going to cook it till our shrimp starts to turn pink. So we're just going to cook in our sauce. Infuse the seafood with all the flavors. Okay. Then once our shrimp starts to turn pink, and the mussels that I have, they was already cooked mussels. So if you got the shell and mussels, make sure you clean them, and you want to cook them until the shell's open. All right. But my scallops is fresh, shrimp is fresh, mussels already cooked. So I'm going to cook it on this medium high until my shrimp starts to turn pink. Alright, so get your cover it up, and we're going to let that go for another maybe 10 minutes. It's not going to take that long for the shrimp to get pink. Give our time for our scallops to cook in the sauce, right? And then we'll season it up. We'll be ready to plate it up, y'all. Let's do it. Let's take the top off and see. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Shrimp nice and pink. Oh yeah, man. Scallops look nice and cooked. Now grab your pasta. Got my Bucatini. Let's get that in there. And take my tongs and just start to incorporate it and fold it in. Oh yeah, it's coming together. Now, once you got it incorporated in, now I'm going to add my seasoning. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Alright. A couple teaspoons of salt. Some pepper. Oh yeah. This is all we need, man. But I'm going to add a little something extra, a little bonus. I got me some Old Bay seasoning, hot. Told y'all I like it spicy, man. So this is optional, but trust me, Even if it ain't the hot Old Bay. Add some Old Bay to this. Oh yeah. Talking about. Alright, next add some parsley. You know, I like to buy this like fresh dry parsley. This freeze dry parsley, I mean, my bad. Comes in handy. Put that on there. Well, yeah, now hit it with just some fresh lemon juice I got here. And there we go, y'all, man. Boom. And there we go, y'all. Check it out. We got our seafood bucatini. You dig me? Oh yeah, man. Y'all ready to serve this up, man? Just put the pan on the table. Get your tongs. Let everybody go in. You feel me? So, yo, try this recipe, man. Please subscribe, like, share. Hit that notification bell, man. So you keep up to date with all my recipes. Comment. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know if you want me to try something. Let me know what you think, man. Holla at me. And y'all know what it is. Holla.